for making Cebu Pacific a bond. It was a pleasure having you on the picture. Once again, thank you both.
Guys, nandito na kami sa Hong Kong. Pupunta lang kami sa immigration, guys. And then, bibili kami ng SIM card and everything. Octopus card. Isa lang kasi meron naman kaming isang go time. So, yun lang. Antok na ako. Later na lang. Bye-bye. Hindi talaga symmetrical yung face ko. Halatang halata sa video. Snack at the airport. Ewan ko paano binuksan yung kanya. Guys, alam nyo ba, nakasalubong namin yung friend namin kanina, si Ditko. Nandito rin sila. Hopefully, magkita kami. Night market, sana. Nakikita nyo, haggard na kami. Nakaka-haggard dito, be. May people na ako agad. Guys, nandito na kami. Nakalabas na kami sa train station. Ayan. Naamoy ko na. Amoy tapa. May Hong Kong. Para di siya masaya. Pupunta lang kami sa tutuloy namin. Bye, guys! Guys, day 1 in Hong Kong. We are in I don't know what's the name of the restaurant, but we're gonna eat their authentic noodles. Mura lang dito, guys. Okay. Thank you. It's good. Yeah. Guys, I'll show you what I ordered. Wonton noodles. First food that we are gonna eat in Hong Kong. Wonton noodles, braised pork, and then there, I think it's seaweed soup. Ba't ako nag-English? Let's try. This one, chili. Dami na servings nila, guys. By the way, guys, it's ano na, it's almost 6 na. Is it right? Yeah, it's almost 6 p.m. and we just woke up, so we have no sleep. Our flight is around 5 a.m. in the morning kanina, and we woke up like 2 a.m. Actually, we didn't sleep at all. Natulog lang kami pagdating dito. And nag-decide na kami lumabas. Dapat talaga alas 2 kami lalabas. Nagising kami 4. Tulog palaway na. Piling ko ang lakas ng aga. Tapos si Claire, tumuto pa yung laway. Oo, kami naaamoy ako sa una na kakaiba. Pag-gising niya, tinanong ko, tumulo ba laway? Oo daw. Oo, sorry. By the way, guys. Babalik kami later. Ubusin lang namin to. Okay. Paalam ka na, Claire. Later. This is where we eat. The food here is very good. And ang dami ng servings nila. So, busog na busog. Guys, alam nyo ba? Ang dami ditong nice cars. Yung Tesla dito, ginagawa nilang Toyota. Sobrang makikita mo siya all around. Wala pala akong lipstick, guys. Ang laki ng pimple ko eh. Kung kailan may travel, buisit, diba?
Magsa-search ako ng French fries.
So, we're walking around Kowloon. I will show you guys kung area na nilalakaran namin ngayon. Sayang! I was here way back 2016. I was planning to visit yung hotel na pinagstayan namin before. Pero, malayo pala siya dito. Eh, bakit naman ako sasakay? Nagtitipid nga kami. Right, girl? So, okay guys. Iwa-walk tour namin kayo dito. You see that? Wait lang, very shaky yung camera. Okay guys, inayos ko lang yung stability. No? We're walking around here. Hopefully, makapunta kami sa Ladies Market. Malapit lang naman siya. So, for sure, pupunta kami sa Ladies Market. Daming 7-Eleven dito, guys. You see jewelry shops. Alam nyo guys, usong-uso yung ganito dito. Samantalang sa atin, mamamatay ka nakakakuha, mauubos na yung pera mo, kakabili ng token, hindi ka pa rin nakakakuha ng stuffed toys. Sana all. Okay, first day, souvenir shop agad. Saan tayo, girl? Dito? Lakad pa tayo? Ah, yummy! Kumain nyo yun, ha? Pupunta kami sa Kowloon Park. Doon kami tatambay. We'll spend our time there. Huh? Park lang? Park siya? Lake. Malaki siyang lake. Shadow ka naman. Parang naman laki ng disappointment mo sa buhay. Look guys, there's a cat cafe. Pupuntahan namin yan. Oh, bata na sa BGC, oh. Ay, ayan na. Where you can see the greenery of Hong Kong. Oh, mas muli ang haba naman. Laki.
Kala nyo, pusa yun. Tiger yun.
Hear what I hear.
Hindi na makatalon na.
Kailangan ka ba ng lipstick? Dami siya! May turtle, guys.
A baby turtle.
Hi! Hello! Game. 3, 2, 1, go. Ayun tayo. Madudurog pa yung camera. Lagot. Lagot. Kita mo yan, ang haggard ko na, pero pretty pa rin. Charot. Video naman tayo dyan, girl. 3, 2, 1. Nagaganda ka ba sa akin? Ako din. Sayaw king kai, sayaw king kai. Sayaw king kai. Picture kami, guys. Sira outfit ko. Wala akong magandang picture. Kuhanan mo ako ng litrato. Pababa.
Wow, ganda. Wow, ganda talaga.
Okay guys, we are now going back to our hotel. Ang pinuntahan namin today is Kowloon Park. And then, yung temple night market nila. Nabudol agad kami. Meron agad kaming pasalubong na bitbit. Diyos ko po. Pude. Mickey Mouse. Okay. So, nandito kami sa Nathan Road. Ayan o. Sa letra ng I. Alkip wala bingiw ko sa jambi ako. Ang sigaw at tibok. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay. Yun lang. That's it for today. That's one day. See you tomorrow. Bye. Say bye. Bye.